Sit down, please. Do you want it? Wait. It's from Adam. Say thank you, Adam. Sugar, say thank you. Come here. Do you want it? Sit. And it's gone. You can hide it in your tyre. Get away from the old rope now.